third question in the series is how do I convert my idea into a POC. Now again I'm going to answer from the point of view, if you are a founder who is looking to see if you can raise money, how do you go about this journey from idea to POC. Now what you need to understand is that this is the phase in which you will be doing 3 or 4 very heavy lift. One is you will be trying to form your core team. You will be trying to find your co-founders, convincing co-founders to join you because you feel this is a good idea. That is one part that you will be doing. Second is you will be trying to raise what I call the friends and family round. You will be trying to convince your family, your batchmates, your colleagues that you are onto something really great and therefore they should invest, and the reason they will invest is because they have faith in you as a founder, what I call the validation of the founder round. So that's the second heavy lift you will be doing. Third is that you will be meeting enough stakeholders in your idea, vis-a-vis the users and the clients who will pay you, and keep trying to validate what you are building is of value. And the fourth obviously is the thing that you will be trying to put together a team, or you will be doing it yourself, is to figure out the minimum features and working on trying to develop the prototype. So this is going to be the toughest phase, and I would say that 70, 80 or maybe even 90% of the mortality of startups happens at this stage. So there are no easy answers. This is the toughest phase, and only the people who survive this phase survive. The important things to keep in mind here, as I said, are you need to be able to find a team. You need to be able to ensure that you have the validation from the customers and the users of what you are trying to build. You need to keep figuring out how you will raise the money, and the resources that you are required. Sometimes now what happens is some of these resources are now available with some of the good incubators and accelerators. So what you also need to do at this stage is to figure out if there is a synergy and if there is a right incubator or an accelerator for you who would be able to help you shorten this journey from idea to POC. But what you need to be careful about is what are the terms that you are signing. You should not sign too many very onerous or terms which are going to become a problem for you in the future round. So you need to be able to find the right mentor at this stage who would be able to help you guide through this journey.